Meet Layer Mixer Pro by Sierra Scripts, a powerful tool for Adobe Illustrator that generates multiple artwork combinations in seconds. Preparing your document is very simple. Make sure your artboard size is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Just organize your layers like this. Letters define the sets, and numbers define the variations. For example, A1, A2, B1, B2. So the script works correctly. Now, run the script. You can install it in Illustrator's Scripts folder, or simply run the file directly. Very simple. Using Layer Mixer Pro is fast and intuitive. Choose where your files will be saved. Select SVG or PNG. Set the export scale if needed. And that's it. Layer Mixer Pro takes care of the rest. Automatically generating all possible combinations in just a few seconds.